Recording is rolling. It's Monday, May 18th. So here in a minute, how you guys vote on what you guys want to do today? Yeah, we're getting right down near the end. Because here's the final exam schedule that I did post on Google Classroom a week ago on May 11th. So if you want to get a closer look at this or download it or print it out, you could. Your very first exam is this class, 7th period tomorrow. So tomorrow, see you guys bright and early in the morning. In the morning. So you'll be in this class for a couple hours. You guys remember we did the exam review a while back. All the review, all the Kahoot links are all posted on Google Classroom. So the format is there are two halves to the exam. There are 50 conceptual questions, and then there are going to be 10 public questions where you have to break out the algebra equations. Now, I'll provide you guys the equations. So you just have to know how to apply them to whatever question I'm having. Right, and then yeah, so 50 and 10, that's it. And then you'll go to all your other classes tomorrow, but they'll be shortened. They're about half an hour each. And then each day after that, we got periods 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then it'll be summer vacation. We're that close.
You don't
All
want
right,
to
see, laptops. I've had some students bring in their laptops already. Start be thinking about that. Now, you might still need your laptop, or you may want to keep it for another day or two. But if you're ready to turn it at some point, you can't just, of course, make sure you got all the files off that you need. All right, so what are we doing today? You guys got a whole list of options. So I went home over the weekend, looked through all the files. Oh, here's a bunch of good opportunities haven't done with you guys. We may have done a couple of these. Okay, you guys, as I'm reading these off, I want you guys to think of 2 or 3 that look interesting to you. I'll have you guys vote, and then we'll narrow it down, and we'll have a runoff. Okay. Okay. So I forget if I've done these with you guys, or maybe I've done one of them. Right? But my other classes we did what. Right? So anyway, I got a Newton's spin wheel, and I got a calculator. I think I did the wheel with you guys, but not the calculator. So if you want to do this sort of wheel calculator, I'll show you guys how to make a slide wheel calculator. I could do this flexagon activity with you guys. Do this flexagon. We could do some origami patterns. We could do Fibonacci flowers. I could do a tessellation project. Zoetrope, although, wait, no, I think I did do this. Did I do the Zoetrope with you guys? Okay, so we did that already. I could break out some horoscopes. We could do a astrology science experiment. We could do a mission to the moon, strategy. I got a deck of cards. Teach you guys how to count cards.
Oh.
Did we do prisoner dilemma? Did we do that? Yeah, we may have take care of. Let's scratch out the ones that I know we've done. I know. Okay, so I'm pretty sure we did prisoner's dilemma. We did Zoetrope. My first period class wanted me to ask you guys riddles all day. Turn into a riddler. We did have a study in board game day. You guys vote that. I could read you guys Fermi paradox. One of the class wants me to do that tomorrow with them. I could play you guys James Burke Connections from 1978. Or I could play Apollo 13, movie from the 90s. Right, so does everybody have 2 or 3 that in mind that look good? Right, so you guys get up to 3 votes. You guys ready for up to 3 votes? Right, so here we go. Right, who's going to vote for? Who wants to make a calculator out of paper? Who wants to make a calculator? All right, not today. Who wants to make this flexagon? Flexagon.
Where did you do that?
We made
You already
that
did
before.
it.
We did that too.
Yeah, we did. We did.
All right. Oh, we're done easy. Does anybody want to bring up some origami patterns? Do origami. 3. Fibonacci flowers. Tessellation.
What is that?
Do you guys know the artist MC Escher? He did. No?
I don't remember.
Singer?
I don't know.
Hey, hang on.
Not sure.
I think I got something here.
Going up the stairs and going down the stairs and going up the stairs and going down the stairs and going up the sideways stairs.
All those lines.
But here's well, here you guys have probably seen this picture where it's like the sideways stairs, and you guys probably see something like that. It's something like possible room to build, right? Yeah. So the artist who was famous for that was MC Escher. Here's another category of art he did. This is tessellation. So this is shapes that fit together. Like guys, if you look at the tile floors, the tile floor, that's a very simple tessellation because squares all fit together nicely with no gaps in between. Okay, so yeah, Escher liked to do this where like fish turn into birds and stuff like that. All right, so that's tessellation. So if you want to do tessellation, so let's read about that. Is there any interest in tessellation? All right, we got one. Bing. Does anybody want to do horoscopes astrology? No horoscopes astrology. How about mission to the moon? Moon mission. Yeah, okay. One of you wants to go to the moon. Who wants to count cards? Count cards. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's four. Four count cards. Who wants riddles? Riddles. 1, 2, 3. 3 riddles.
Wait, there was
Wait, there's a fourth on riddles. Fourth on riddles. Who wants to study in board game day? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Who wants me to read on Fermi Paradox? No Fermi. Who wants James Burke? No. Who wants Apollo 13? 1, 2, 2. All right, so it looks like it's going to be narrowed down to these 3 right here. Right. So we're doing either card counting, riddles, or studying board game day. So let's say everybody gets 1 vote. If there's a majority, we'll just do that. If there's no majority, we'll have 1 more runoff. Okay. Right. So you get 1 vote, and if necessary, then we'll do another runoff. Okay. All right. So everybody got 1 in mind out of these 3? All right. Who wants to count cards? Who wants to count cards? Got 1, 2 on counting cards. Who wants riddles? Riddles. 1, 2. 2 on riddles. Who wants studying board games? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right. All right, that'll be it then. Board game day.